Welcome back to Ride Reviews, the place where power, design, and innovation come alive. Today we are diving into something that has officially shaken the performance car world to its core. The all-new next-generation 2026 Corvette Zora has been officially unveiled, and it is nothing short of breathtaking. This isn't just a Corvette, this is a revolution, engineered with a stunning bold design, a performance-driven heart, and a level of sophistication that feels like the future has arrived today. The Corvette Zora comes equipped with an astonishing 1,000 horsepower hybrid-assisted V8 engine, making it the most powerful production Corvette ever built. That means instant torque, relentless acceleration, and a top speed that edges into territory once reserved only for hypercars. Smooth, lightning fast, and shockingly refined, the Zora blurs the line between track monster and grand touring perfection. The design is sharper, bigger, and bolder, with an aerodynamic body sculpted to command attention while cutting through the air with precision. New color options have been added to the lineup, from vibrant metallic finishes to deeper bold tones, giving buyers the chance to personalize this masterpiece. Every angle screams performance, yet retains the Corvette DNA we've known for decades, only elevated to a level never seen before. Step inside and the Zora greets you with a cockpit designed for both luxury and control. Premium materials, advanced digital displays, and a driver-focused layout bring sophistication into every detail. Connectivity, comfort, and next-generation tech features make it just as capable for long road trips as it is for tearing up the track. The seats are supportive yet plush, the infotainment is cutting-edge, and the overall experience feels like stepping into a supercar built for the modern era. Performance isn't just about horsepower, it's about balance, and Chevrolet has engineered the Zora with advanced suspension, active aerodynamics, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that delivers unmatched handling. Whether on city streets, winding mountain roads, or closed circuits, this Corvette feels planted, confident, and explosively fast. It is, in every sense of the word, illegally fast. As for pricing, Chevrolet has positioned the 2026 Corvette Zora competitively within the supercar world. While official figures vary depending on trim and customization, expect a starting price around $200,000, climbing higher with advanced performance packages and bespoke options. This makes it one of the most accessible hyper-performance vehicles in its class, offering power and prestige at a fraction of what European rivals demand. This is not just another upgrade, this is the boldest leap forward in Corvette history. Bigger, bolder, smoother, and completely redefined, the 2026 Corvette Zora is proof that American engineering can compete at the very top of the performance ladder. From its jaw-dropping design to its outrageous power, this car is the ultimate statement of speed, style, and innovation. That wraps up today's look at the stunning new 2026 Corvette Zora. If you're as blown away as we are, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us here at Ride Reviews for more in-depth looks at the most exciting machines hitting the road. This is the future of performance, and it has arrived. Do you want me to also generate the heavy clickbait YouTube title, description, keywords, hashtags, and tags like I did for your other videos?